Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the associate, assistant as well as the professor and the lecturer vacancies from the three different types of colleges. So here there is an opportunity for the PG candidates and the candidates without having the UGCNET or with UGCNET, okay, and without PhD or with PhD. So for all the candidates here, opportunities are there. Let us see the details regarding these three advertisements. Before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC December 2020 cycle exam, so from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, here the first one is Aditya Degree Colleges from Andhra Pradesh. So wanted lectures to teach BSc, BCA, BBA, BCom classes in the following subjects in our degree colleges at North Andhra and Godavari districts. So coming to the subjects here, maths, computers, artificial intelligence, commerce, microbiology, digital marketing, physics, statistics, data sciences, management, biochemistry, English, and chemistry, electronics, animation, forensic science, biotechnology, and Telugu. So apart from this one, the candidates who belongs to arithmetic, reasoning, and the soft skills also you may apply guys. And here the librarians, lab demonstrators for all science labs and hardware technicians for the computer labs. So the interested candidates may send the resume guys. And for the test centers, you may visit the official website of this college. So here you may check down the official website of this college. And here the written test is on 21st March 2021. So here they ask to send the resume, but the mail ID is not provided here. So you please once go to the official website of this college and check down guys. And here the contact numbers are also given. So if you are having any queries regarding this lecturer advertisement, then you may contact to any one of these numbers. Okay, it is a one college. And coming to the second one, it is a Boj Reddy Engineering College for Women. It is from Telangana. So here applications are invited for the post of Professor Associate and Assistant Professor vacancies in the departments of CSC, ECE, EEE and IT. And here the contact number as well as the official website, both these two are given here. So if you are having any queries regarding this one, then you may contact this number guys. And the non-teaching vacancies are also provided, the lab programmers, lab assistants, office assistants and the accountants. So the interest and the qualified candidates send your resume along with the enclosures by email to principal.brecw32@gmail.com on or before 27th March 2021 by evening 5 o'clock. Okay, so it is the second college. And coming to the third college is Lokanath Mahavidyalaya Patkura Kendrapara, and walk-in interview. Wanted guest lecturers in botany, physics, economics, education, English, political science and sociology. So the desired candidates having the requisite qualification, that is minimum 55% in the PG level, may attend the interview in the office of the principal at morning 10 o'clock on 23rd March 2021 with all testimonials. Okay. So here the contact number is also provided. So if you are having any queries regarding this one, then you may contact this number guys. Anyhow, for all these, whatever the advertisements I shown here, for all these ones, the UGCNET or the PhD qualifications is not mandatory. So for only PG, okay, with only PG also you can apply for this one. And for the lab demonstrators, okay, with UG also you can apply guys. Fine. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these departments. And for more notifications, subscribe. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGCNET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the two new courses for the UGCNET candidates who are preparing for the UGCNET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGCNET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide